Hello guys and gals, fellow YouTubers, Corvette lovers. Got for me today an exemplary example of a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Z51. Daytona Sunset Orange. Car is very nice. Has about 70,000 miles on it. Now take this bad boy out. I get tons of hard looks, thumbs up. You'll just love this car. That nice set of 20-inch rims, Weld Racing forged, and cut tires. Car has the R8C. Factory auction was about 500 or 600 of these were available to be picked up at the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green. This is one of those. This car has a few extras, like the panels were put together with chrome screws. Those are everywhere. Stainless door threshold. Jake skull everywhere. Another Jake skull. Not sure how those got there. I didn't put them there. Another Corvette Jake skull. Rear carpet. Car is very nice inside and out. More of these chrome screws, I'm not sure if that was an option or someone added those. It's not something you see on Corvette top. Take a look under the hood. They're not frogs here, actually. That's my room tone. It's the LS2, not the LS3. Chrome hardware on this car too, for some reason. Fire it up. Corvette Jake skull. Actually, this car is very, very clean. The carpet is very clean. Both sounds. Thank you. What's that? Just got a like on the car for this guy. Sorry? Yeah, it's a Z51.
Oh, you got your little funny truck there.
Yeah. You like that? There you have it.
I got the exhaust kit off of 68 and Corvette. It's on the show.